GMOs, common questions people ask about GMOs in food. Hello, welcome to JTC Health, your health-centered channel. Please like and subscribe for weekly updates and also click on the bell icon. Today I will be showing you common questions people ask about GMOs in food. Brief background. The acronym GMO, or genetically modified organism, has become common in news coverage of food and nutrition. While some groups question the safety of foods with GMOs, others see GMOs as the wave of the future. Here are answers to some frequent questions about GMOs, their role in food production, and their effect on our health. What is a GMO? A genetically modified organism is a living organism, plant or animal, whose genetic material, DNA, has been artificially altered in a laboratory through genetic engineering, and does not occur naturally through mating or traditional crossbreeding methods. Foods that are developed through genetic engineering are often called GM, genetically modified, foods. Why were GMOs developed? One of the reasons GMOs were created was to make a plant or crop resistant to damage from insects or viruses. Certain genes added to the plant make the plant more resistant to herbicides, chemicals sprayed on the plant that kill surrounding weeds, or allow the plant to make its own insecticide, which help protect the plant from insects. A reduction in crop loss due to insects or viruses means better crop yields and more profit to the farmers and growers. The practice of genetically modifying crops means GMOs may enter the human food chain directly, through the produce itself, or indirectly, through farm animals who consume GMOs in the form of feed, such as corn. How common are GMOs? An estimated 80 to 85% of all processed foods, canned or frozen fruits and vegetables, or foods prepared for quick service dining like cafeterias or coffee shops, contain genetically modified organisms. Almost half of the global production of GMOs occurs in the United States, which is the world leader in GMO crop production. Unless a product is specifically labeled as being free of GMOs, consumers should assume they are present. Are GMOs considered safe? The effect of eating genetically modified foods is a hotly debated topic. Producers of GM foods claim they are safe while some in the scientific community have their doubts. Overall, the effects are unknown because long-term studies haven't been conducted and because foods that are genetically engineered aren't labeled. Therefore, researchers can't connect health problems with GM foods because they don't know who exactly consume GM foods. More than 60 countries, including Japan and Australia, have restrictions or complete bans on the production and sale of GMOs. While some independent studies suggest GMOs may possibly be harmful to human health, consumers should talk to their doctors and educate themselves about the possible risks of eating GM foods before making their own decisions. Do GMOs harm the environment? Because GMOs are engineered to withstand insects and herbicides, certain weeds and insects have developed a resistance to commonly used herbicides, which means farmers need stronger and more toxic herbicides to control weed growth. Other concerns about the impact of GMOs on the environment is their possible harm to insects that aren't considered pests, and the potential introduction of these engineered genes into wild populations, no longer contained to certain growing plots or designated areas. These are just a few of the many questions surrounding the use and consumption of GMOs. The decision to purchase foods containing GMOs is a decision each consumer has to make. In time, more studies will be conducted to give both researchers and consumers a better understanding of the medical and environmental safety of GMOs. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe, comment and share, and also give us a thumbs up. Do have a remarkable day and week ahead.